Rahim. Today I'm going to explain to you how to wear the Ihram. There are two garments for Ihram. The top part we call Rida and the bottom part is called Izar. And you may prefer to wear a belt. You can wear any type of belt, trousers belt, your jeans belt, or certain ones which are made for Ihram. In this case I'm going to show you how to wear the Ihram. And the belt I'm going to use is the straps which I have provided for you. So let's take the Izar. To make it easy for you, if you can, keep the OneCall Travels logo on your right hand, and on your left hand there will be no logos. Now for men, it is extremely important. The awrah is from the navel to the ankle. So your Ihram should be at all times above the navel, above the ankle. Now, take the Izar, left hand, make sure it is above your ankles. Left hand, the garment is shorter compared to the right hand. As you can see, the right hand I have the logo, left hand there is no logo. Slowly twist it so it is above the ankle. Now, while holding it, slowly pull it quite tightly across your waist. And on the right hand side, pull it. Can you see clearly that I'm still holding on to the left, keeping a little bit of garment outside, then go around it. Again, quite tightly around your waist. Now all you have to do, just squeeze the top part of the garment and insert it. Insert it. That is your bottom part. And the top part, before I go to it, I'm going to show you what you shouldn't do. Some people, when they wear their ihram, they have their feet quite close together. And again, if you're going to do the same motion, left hand, shorter garment, leave it extra bit. While you're pulling the other one around, again, quite tighten around your waist. Squeeze it in. Now what that does is restricted your movement. You'll be walking like penguins in your Arafah, Mina, Muzdalifah doing Tawaf, and your Ramal will be very restricted. So, what I would say again, the correct way of doing it, your feet apart like in Salah, like the shoulder, if you can imagine, the same length, like this. Your garment, which is the Izar, left hand, make sure it is above your ankle, holding it, the excess bit here, put it across your waist. The right one, again, goes round, all the way around, and just squeeze it in. Complete your Izar. Now the top part is Rida. The Rida is exactly the same length as the Izar. Just normally go across. And your Izar is done. Now, bear in mind, when we're doing the Tawaf, not only the first 3 rounds, but complete the 7th round of Tawaf, you must have your right shoulder exposed. And again, the easiest way of doing it, the way we done the Izar, the shorter part on the left hand side, you can have the OneCall Travels this side or that side, no problem, because it's only the top. Have it here, go across, and what I do, the excess garment here, because I'm wearing a thobe, it's difficult now, just tuck it or insert it at the back. So what it does, it will stay there while you're walking around, and it's not always loose where you have to keep on adjusting your rida. So now, that's the way to do ihram. That's the way to wear the ihram when you're in a state of tawaf. Other than that, you don't have to have it. And just to explain, after the tawaf, please cover your shoulders before praying 2 rakah. And if I take this off now, going back to the belt, there's certain misconception that they say you should, or it is good, to wear belts with the pockets. You can wear any belts in order to hold your izar. This is the one which we have given you, which is your luggage strap belt. You can wear that and you can adjust it here, and that holds. Or you can wear any trouser belt or anything like that. So this is a small, brief tutorial how to wear ihram. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us. Jazakallah khair for watching the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك الله